Sam! Yo, you want me to park for you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? And we're live. Girl power.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Oh! You just lost it, people.
Oh my god.
Oh. You're
Fucking with everybody, yeah.
Are you actually? This is what happens when girls work on their cars. Oh my god. Oh. Even with gloves, that's gross. Oh no, that's rock. Why was there rocks in your oil pan?
It came out of your whole pan.
It's like a soup. It's hot. Well, that won't
there
rust
you
now.
go.
That's not gonna rust now.
No, it's not. There you go.
There you go. Okay.
All right.
Now what?
Oh yeah. What are you doing? What?
You can't.
Jeez.
Think about a knife slowly cutting your throat. Let it think about it, girl. Slowly putting on your coat. Lipstick on her lips. Holy shit, she close. Let it think about you dancing, but she's stepping on her toes. Now I realize that all this got just ain't a fucking dream. All these hoes and all these bloody drinking fast like it's some lean. Why you this to me, bitch? You don't wanna date, so you talking shit. Bitch, put me on the desk. I'm that shit, no stress. Hey shit, God bless. Say shit, they always want more and even less. Chocolate chip cookies looking faded, watching movies weak body.
Jesus Christ, I have a hard on right now.
See that hard on? It's huge. Look at that. You can't see it coming out of
Winning.
Winning.
Can you do a startup really quick? I want to hear the difference between yours and mine.
Do it up.
Don't laugh.
Not laughing. It's good.
It's alright for a girl.
Holy, that's messy. Put that hood back on.
Oh, you.
Oh, I gotta see under the hood on this. Oh, wow.
Damn,
You
that's
think it's
clean.
clean?
That's clean.
I
This whole
spent some
car's
time
clean.
cleaning it.
Well, it's not the whole car. It looks like it rolled off the showroom floor 2 days ago.
Thank you so
like,
much.
it's ridiculous.
Aw.
Even inside the wheel wells at the back.
You don't drive this in the winter, do
Thank
you?
What's that?
Do you drive this in the winter?
No, I just bought this in April, and it's
Okay.
going to be my hot rod. No winter.
Yeah, fair. I would, 'cause
Even though it's
perfect.
all-wheel drive, which is a shame.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Drive. Hey,
So I'm
that's
not even
fine.
going to use the all-wheel drive.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, I spent probably 2 hours cleaning this engine bay.
That's.
What would you guys use to clean it, by the way?
You just any degreaser.
I buy like
Degreaser.
just a
Yeah.
whole bunch of degreasers.
I
and
use
spray
Armor All
this.
wipes.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
for this
For
stuff,
this stuff, and then you just wash
Fire
it
it
off
up.
and you're done.
Should I get rid of this? This is from the undercoating. And just put some fresh,
not
like,
driving in the winter, you may as well. Sure.
Yeah.
and put some fresh fluid film on there?
I don't even. I keep the oil out of the engine bay.
Do ya?
Because
Okay.
these don't even tend to rust even when you drive it in the winter. So
Okay. Okay.
I just like get the garden hose out, fire it up, fire the degreaser
Are you
at
serious?
it.
You would just
Yep.
garden hose that?
Yep.
Yep.
Garden hose it.
What
Just
about
when
the wires?
it's fine as long as you leave it running.
Yeah. The engine bay is water resistant, not
Right
waterproof.
I've never seen that thing.
It's a clean interior.
The whole car.
Thank you so much.
The whole
guys.
car.
I've never seen a 300 this clean since
Oh,
I've been
thank you. And you know what? I've never seen seats like this ever, with the embroidery in the seats.
I actually haven't even seen that, no.
I've never seen it. And in the
Yeah.
in the features, I can't seem to find anything about seats.
Yeah.
Like a newer year. They do almost look like that.
I know the
Because it's like the bucket seat.
But they're obviously not.
And they're not heritage.
They look that style, yeah.
Yeah.
I know the SRTs have some.
Yeah, but they would say SRT.
Oh shit! Whoa! Holy!
So determined, like you're so focused.
You got me. You got me so good.
Hey,
Wow. Yo, you want me to park for you?
Yeah. Everybody's looking back.
So they fit. Wow.
Yeah, yeah. Offset fucking center, bro.
Holy,
Offset fucking
who would
center.
have told you? Who would have told you? Amazing.
From a little birdie. I know, it actually sits an inch higher, which I'm not really happy with. But I can, it's all-wheel drive. Right?
That, you know what the solution that is?
What? Raise it, raise it.
Rear-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Yo, that's one parking spot.
Hello?
We'll meet up at one spot.
Yeah.
And we'll do a cruise. We get some rolling footage, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, rolling footage, yeah.
I got a
100%.
drone guy. I got a drone guy. He should have been here, but...
You got a drone or you've got a drone guy?
I got a drone guy.
Okay.
If I had a drone, I would have been here right now.
Calling me guy and you said you had a drone or?
Good one.
Good one.
I was, you know...
The only thing I've done to this car, damage-wise, is underneath in the front, there was a curve that I came up too close. That's the only fucking shit I've done. Some China did the rest. Your cousin.
Literally my cousin.
Kim Cat Oi! Ching Chong! I need a picture with him, man.
Here you
I
go.
want a picture.
There you go. Pose.
Head harness or no head harness?
Pose.
Pose.
Head harness.
Pose. Yeah. There you go.
There you go.
There you go. Oh, is that Samantha?
Sam, park her in here.
Not that way. This way. Right here.
Yeah, it's fucking back.
Right here.
Whatever.
Yeah. Back right into it.
Sam, get in the spot.
Okay, you can bang up mine, I don't care.
Okay, don't bang up me.
Hey, she's only got her G1. I know.
Watch your ankles, John.
Fred's not driving, Fred's not here. Fred's not here, man.
Hashtag neither's my ankle.
Oh, it's there. It's just swollen.
Hi, Greg.
Hi,
What's
Sam.
up, homie?
We're struggling.
Oh, yeah? Yeah.
That's okay. Get practice. Jeep? What'd you try your little thing?
Back seat, my cooler.
Yo, you want me to park for you?
Yeah. Everybody's looking back.
So they fit. Wow.
Yeah, yeah. Offset center, bro.
Holy,
Offset
who
fucking
would
center.
have told you? Who would have told you? Amazing.
From a little birdie. I know, it actually sits an inch higher, which I'm not really happy with. But I can, it's all-wheel drive. Right?
That, you know what the solution that is?
What? Raise it, raise it.
Rear-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Yo, that's one parking spot.
Hello? Yeah.
Bruh.
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 Your cousin did it.
What?
I didn't do it.
You sure?
Come Cat Oi did it.
Boy.
Some China. Some China.
Oh my Lanta.
Oh my Atlanta.
Bruh.
Hi Jess. How are you? Good. Where's Al?
Perfect.
Today we're doing an oil change, eh?
An early one too.
An early one. What kind of oil are we using
He's getting
today?
pampered. Pennzoil.
Oh, right?
Oh, buddy.
Go Sam.
Go Sammy. Go Sammy. Go, go. Look how nasty that is.
Nasty.
Damn.
I would have.
Oh man, I feel like a real girl now.
Woo!
I'm a big girl now.
Did you just get your nails done?
What? That's my fingernail.
Wow, that is your fingernail. It's crazy.
Got the drain pans under it.
All right.
Okay, ready? Okay. Here we go. It's just gonna squirt out?
Yeah.
Oh, and it's gone. It's a goner. It's a goner. It's a goner. It's like a soup. It's hot. Well, that won't
There
rust
you
now.
go.
That's not gonna rust now.
No, it's not. There you go.
There.
Man.
How tight?
That looks like it's good. A little bit more. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
You're good.
Oh wow.
Oh, right there.
Okay. So
Yeah.
that's dirty.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got the filter out.
Oh, done.
Yeah.
Done deal.
And ring the edge and lube
What's
up
that?
that,
Is that a gasket?
Yeah. There you go.
The dirty oil.
Right over here, under here.
Oh, yeah. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. It's actually pretty fucking easy to do.
Yeah.
Now that I know what I'm kind of doing.
And then
Okay, under.
see these little slits over here?
Okay, match up the holes.
Yeah.
Okay. How tight?
Just kind of loose for now because
Yep.
we still gotta angle the whole
Okay.
thing.
Yep.
I'll do the other side and line the holes.
Okay.
And now I hear some Hank Trill.
I hear Mark.
Like, yo, there's
So many views.
right. The ones I got right now, you can't even see.
Oh, I know.
Instant fame.
I took mine out and had to wait.
Okay. Should turn the car on now, see what happens.
Yeah.
That'd be neat.
For the view, that'd be good for the views right there.
Really good for the views.
Oh, okay.
You're good.
We got it.
Here's in case something explodes. Easy.
Good?
Stop.
Yep. Turn it off.
Well, and that's how you
too
change
bad.
your oil. How was that? Was that
That was
first oil?
great.
Wow, amazing, phenomenal.
Yeah, learn lots of
That's great.
stuff.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
It was a little rough, but we made it.
Yeah,
Got there. We made it. We're here. We out here.
Thanks. See you on the
Yeah,
next
dear.
episode. Bye.